In today's fast-paced digital world, WhatsApp is essential for instant communication, but sometimes it stops working properly, affecting messages and calls. In this video, we'll go over common WhatsApp issues and practical solutions to get it working smoothly again. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why is my WhatsApp not working on my iPhone? Weak or unstable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, outdated WhatsApp app version, outdated iOS on your iPhone, temporary system glitches or software crashes, WhatsApp servers down or under maintenance. Part 2. Solutions to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. Restart your iPhone. A quick restart can fix minor glitches. Here's how. Hold the power button and slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn it on. Open WhatsApp to check if it's working. 2. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause WhatsApp to stop working. Here are a few checks. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Check if you've reached your data limit. 3. Update WhatsApp to the latest version. An outdated WhatsApp can cause issues. Here's how to update it. Manual update. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon. Scroll down to Pending Updates and tap Update next to WhatsApp. Automatic updates. Go to Settings App Store, enable App Update. 4. Force quit and relaunch WhatsApp. Force quitting WhatsApp can fix glitches. Face ID iPhones. Swipe up and pause to open the app switcher. Home button iPhones. Double press the home button. Swipe WhatsApp up to close. Then reopen it. 5. Check WhatsApp server status. Sometimes the issue is on WhatsApp's end. Visit sites like Down Detector or check social media for updates. If there's an outage, wait until the service restores. 6. Delete and reinstall WhatsApp. Reinstalling WhatsApp can fix persistent issues. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon, remove app, delete, reinstall via the App Store and verify your number. Make sure chats are backed up. 7. Make sure WhatsApp has the right permissions. Check permissions. Settings WhatsApp. Enable contacts, microphone, camera, and background app refresh. Enable notifications. Settings notifications WhatsApp. Turn on allow notifications. Reopen WhatsApp to check. Part 3. How to back up WhatsApp data on iPhone. Before removing WhatsApp, back up your data to avoid losing chats and media. Use Mobican WhatsApp Recovery for iOS to back up WhatsApp to your computer, ensuring easy restoration later without relying on cloud backups. How to back up WhatsApp data from iPhone. Download and install the program on your computer. Open it and select Recover from iOS device. Then connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. After the device is detected, choose the data types you want to scan. Click Start Scan to begin. Once the scan is complete, preview the WhatsApp files and select the items you wish to back up. Step 3. Click Recover to Computer to export and save the selected WhatsApp data to your computer. With the secure backup in place, you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp without worrying about losing important conversations.